Hey lovies, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Linda Wushle and this is my first YouTube video. I'm so excited. I've been thinking about like actually starting a YouTube channel, so I thought let me not overthink it and actually just do it. So for today's video, we are going to be setting up for my son's 6th birthday. I do try to do this. I have been doing this every year since he was born, but last year was the first official year where I posted on my social media, which I did post on TikTok and it did really well. So I thought, why not do it again this year and actually vlog it on YouTube as my first official video. I'm super excited. I'm nervous because I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm so used to posting on TikTok, so yeah, so I don't know how this is gonna go, but please be patient and I hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down, like the video, and obviously please turn on your notifications so that every time I post you will get a notification. And I do plan on sticking around, so yeah, let's go. The worst part is that it is actually so late because my son was struggling to fall asleep because obviously he's excited, but it is currently 20 past 10. So I'm just gonna start setting up and blowing the balloons. I'm not really looking forward to that because that is always a struggle, but yeah, we gotta do it anyway. There are balloons in here and the balloon machine, whatever, but electric balloon pump. The contest here. Some balloons. I'm just gonna blow these in the room so I don't make noise, and then yeah. I really hope you guys can see me, but yeah. I don't know how many balloons I'm gonna use because I wanna put some in his room as well so that obviously he can wake up to balloons and stuff like that. These balloons, I got these balloons in 2020 and I still have some. I haven't been buying balloons for the past 6 years now. I've just been using these because I know it's a boy, so I just blue is fine. So I'm just gonna do this. So these are the colors. I think this is a different shade, but I'm not entirely sure. It looks like it. Unless I'm tripping. Nah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Look how nice this gold is. Really nice gold. These are like the bigger ones. So let me show you like in terms of size. This is the size comparison between the two. Let's see. Oh, this one is broken. That sucks. I had high hopes for it. I could make this bigger, but I'm scared. I'm really scared. I'm not even gonna try it like full brave. Yeah, no. I am literally sweating. I don't know why. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the situation with the balloons quickly. I don't know if these are enough, but we'll see. So these are the balloons that I have currently. I think these are fine because now I don't know, I don't have any white and gold. I have a lot of blue that's still left, so it doesn't make sense. So I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it for now. It's probably been a good 30 minutes. I'm not even halfway done with these, and I feel like I'm gonna faint, but we're just gonna keep going. So I'm finally done with the balloons. Now we're gonna move on to the other stuff. Yeah. So the plan is to set up everything here because we currently don't have like a dining table. So I want to set up here the happy birthday there. But yeah, I'm obviously gonna take you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. What? There you go. So my book currently busy putting these together. I'm going to show you. This is this. Oh, okay. Okay, so we finally put the happy birthday, and then we have the number 6. So now I'm just gonna put some of the balloons as well. Okay, so I'm thinking of putting one of these here, and then the one here. So one on each side, and then yeah. I would love to leave these at the top. Or should I just leave these at the top? Actually. Oh no, actually, I think I'm just gonna. Okay, this. I got like a stitch. And the reason why I got this is because it was the only like blue thing that could obviously stick to theme. He doesn't really like stitch like that, but I just got this. And this stitch one is weird. I don't like it. I don't like the way the stitch one is. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, the stitch one is pissing me off, actually. Okay, I also got these two white ones. I got these two white ones as well, which I'm gonna put up here. Just, yeah, like that. Looking good. Keep the theme. We have the happy birthday, and then we have this number 6 balloon, and then we have a few balloons up there, and then we have these two balloons. Yeah, that is cute. What the balloon glue looks like. And then I got this at some China mall. Last year I got it from Temu, and this was 8 rand, so it's quite cheap. If you don't want to spend too much on helium, because one thing about helium, it is expensive, because just for these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balloons, I had to pay 250 rands. Crazy. But at least now, just 8 rand. I mean, stick it up there. I do hope like one day I could actually make like a business out of like decorating. I really enjoy doing it. Like I really enjoy doing it. But anyway, so you just take the balloon and then obviously try to aim like to try and put it at like the very top of the balloon. So you just yeah. But I'm obviously too short, so I'm gonna ask my husband to do that for me, and then I'll show you guys once it's done. Yeah, so this is a string that I got on Temu. It's blue, which it won't be a problem because the other one's white and this one is blue. I think we should be fine. We still sticking to the theme. They don't have white, so I just got this blue one. So I'm just gonna put them in these balloons, and then I'm gonna show you when I put the sticky tape and then stick them up there in the ceiling. So yeah. Okay, so my husband did help me with putting the balloons up. But the only problem I have is that, let me just show you. The only problem I have is that obviously with the ones that I got at Crazy Store, they look very like nice and like curly. Whereas with the ones that I did, they kind of like very straight and boring and plain. So I'm going to try obviously make these ones, the blue ones, look like these, and then I'll kind of show you guys. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. And then there's still a few balloons on the carpet, which I also want them to go up there. And then I'm gonna blow up more balloons for the couch so it doesn't look empty, but the presents is gonna be in the middle, then just like a few around the couch, not around, on the couch here and here, and then the presents there. But yeah, my battery's on 15%, so I'm gonna have to be quick. As you can see, these ones are curly, and then the ones that I did are not, so I'm gonna try and make them curly as well. I'm gonna try. Oh, I did it! Oh, can you guys even see the curl? I probably can't see. Let me bring you guys closer. See, I did the curl, but I'm gonna have to like start maybe here. Then. Ooh, wait, I didn't do that right. Okay. Never mind. I did. It's fine. Yeah, this is what we have. I'd rather have it like this than plain. Yeah, when it's plain it doesn't look nice. But yeah, that's what I have for this one. Then I'll do the others, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done. So I had to hide my son's presents in my wardrobe because honestly, kids can be very annoying because my presents, when can I open my presents? But you know, so I was like, you know what, let me just hide them. So he just thinks it's not gonna get anything. But yeah, but initially my son, for his birthday present, he just wanted a hoverboard. So that's what we got. And obviously a hoverboard is quite expensive. So we got him that and just one other thing on the side, just so at least it's like 2 things, which was like a bird Lego, because my son is obsessed with parrots and birds. But yeah, so I just got him like, we got him like a Lego on the side. So yeah, let me show you how ghetto the situation is. I had to hide it, and this, yeah. But yeah, so I'm going to throw a few balloons in my son's room. So yeah. So I'm done with the decoration and everything. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm really happy about that. With regards to the poppers, when I wake up my son in the morning, I'm just gonna leave him close by, so obviously we can quickly. And then I need to decide on which candles I want to use between these two. Yeah, I might maybe use both. Maybe for the pictures I'll use these ones and just stick them in the cake. And then when we sing happy birthday and he has to blow, then this all together, we'll see. But the cake is small, because obviously, honestly, it's just the three of us. There was no need for us to get a big cake. I'm gonna show you guys what the cake looks like. And then, yeah. And also, with regards to the setup, the reason why I put everything on the couch was because we don't have a dining table. We just recently moved to a new place and we had to sell our old one. Yeah, so, but I'm just happy with how everything turned out. I know my son's gonna love it, and that's all that matters. The cake, we did get it from Chateau Gâteau. Yeah, however you pronounce it. I'm sure you guys. Oh, it's in the fridge. In the fridge. Yeah, it's in this. Okay. So, with regards to the cake, we got this small Chateau Gâteau cake. My son chose the Celebration Sprinkles cake. I hope you guys can see that. I'm just gonna move myself so you guys can see. Yeah. So this is what the cake looks like. I'm trying to like see if I can slide it out. This is what the cake looks like. I really do like these ones. Like I said, these are like gonna be so cute on the cake if you had to like put them around the cake. Yeah, I think this is gonna be cute, but I don't want to take it out and like ruin it. But this is what it looks like, just for reference. And then I would just, let me show you. See, this is what I was thinking, but it may be too much. Yeah, I don't think I like this like that. I'm just gonna take these out. I'll save these for something else. Yeah, so I think I might just end up using this 6 that I got. and then obviously we'll just put it somewhere here. Yeah, this is perfect actually. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. But yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my first YouTube video, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, like the video, and turn on your notifications because I do plan on posting more on YouTube. So yeah, thank you. Bye.